We're just hanging out on our friend's property, and it's getting close to dinner time, so we're gonna make sausage and we're gonna make some bread. I've been watching a lot of Outdoor Boys videos recently, and he always makes this bread, and he always gives the recipe to do it, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna have a go at it, trying to make Outdoor Boys inspired bread. But first I gotta start the fire because it is not going right now. So in the last video I shot, I was trying to make kindling and my axe would literally just do that on the wood. So it's pretty dull right now. I haven't used it in a while. So I'm just gonna sharpen it really quickly. It's already way better. Call that good for now. And I got all this brush to burn, or I can use. I'm not gonna burn it all. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get to it and collect a bunch of wood. And I got some lint just from the dryer. I'm gonna try using that. Feel fancy today. And I've had this thing for years. I've actually never lit a fire with it, so I'm gonna try. In the spirit of the Outdoor Boys, let's give it a whirl. I have a lighter for backup. There we go. While that gets going, I get some coals. I need to find a stick that has like a V in it that I can use as the prop. Another stick to cook the sausages. This is the pile I got. Oh, right here. Let's keep it good. You see how there's the V? Might be able to make that work. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. Probably not. I found my Y stick. I think it'll work. We'll see. It's rotten wood, but we'll see. So now I need the stick to put into the sausage. At the same time, make sure the fire doesn't light any leaves on fire. And just burn the excess stuff off. So this is looking good. Just gonna let that die down so I can have some coals. And I'm gonna throw a kettle on. And I'll start. I will start cooking the sausage and the bread. I was talking about, yeah, Outdoor Boys bread. Look at this. Look at that. So you don't have to do any measuring. You just throw a bunch of flour, yeast, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar and water. Mix it all together in a bag and just let it. I made this in the morning today, and it's now around, I don't know, 4 o'clock. Look how much has risen. It's so much bread. Right. Water looks like it's good enough. Boiling-ish. All right. Here's some mint. So we got this. Just gonna set it up right here. Then when you want to find the place where you can hold your hand over for no more than 3 seconds. So right here it feels pretty good. With olive oil. This will work. There'll probably definitely be some ash in the fire or in the veggies, but that's okay. Doesn't hurt anybody. Just set up right now. Got this chair, balancing it. So I got a confession, it was taking too long for the time limit that we have. So now the sausages are in the pan. What can you do? I always find when I'm trying something new with this kind of stuff, it always feels like such a gong show during the whole process, but then it always turns out at the end. So keep going when you're trying this stuff, because it feels like it's just gonna fail the whole time, I find, because I have no idea what I'm doing cooking on the fire like this. So I guess this is how you learn. I'm just gonna keep going because it is cooking. It's sizzling. Waiting for the sausage to finish. So while that's finishing up, I'm just gonna start the bread. Start kneading it. Definitely sticky bread. Holy moly. So we're just making, right now I'm just making, I want to make, sorry, I'm just rattled by how sticky it is. I'm going to make buns. So don't need much. Apparently the more, you just keep kneading it and it'll stop being so sticky. Really sticky stuff. I think I did something wrong. Butter. I've lost my coals, so it's not cooking anymore. So, update on the bread. I think I might have messed it up. I think I put too much butter in it, so it doesn't have like that crispy look. It's also, my fire has died pretty low, and we're leaving soon and I don't want to put more logs on it, so I think the heat's too low now. We'll see. Oh, yeah, give it a flip. This bread looks like it's gonna get as good as it's gonna get. I'm just gonna take it out. I think I put too much butter in the pan. I don't know. I think my fire got too cold. The coals got too cold for it, so it didn't really cook it properly. Hopefully it's one of those things where I am pleasantly surprised. So I'm gonna split this up and give Amy her cut. This is how it turned out. Definitely not as planned. I'm assuming it's gonna taste good. So update, we're eating it right now. The bread is it turned out again, just like the last video with the sweet potato. Super unsure about it, but it worked. So that's a pleasant update.
It's edible.
Yeah. So we got that. We were the original plan was to make like hot dogs with sausage with the bread, but I don't think that's gonna fly. So we're just gonna cover it in honey and butter. I wasn't so dirty. I'd come in, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, do you want to try the honey butter?
Sure. If you like this content, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.